Sweeping versus vacuuming versus mopping. Your high school girls' opinions on these three floor cleaning techniques. So, the other day, my mom was like, come here and sweep this area. I'm like, okay. And after I was done, she made me go get the mop. And then I ended up mopping it for a long while. A really long while. And then I started thinking about, like, why do I have to do both of them? Is there a point to it? And then if you think about it, vacuuming sort of ties in with that floor cleaning stuff. I'm like, which one's the best? So let's get into it. So mopping is used for cleaning like stains off the ground, or if someone spilled something, that's really helpful. Sweeping gets most of the dirt, and vacuuming does a little bit of both, I think. Our vacuum sucks up some stuff, most of the stuff on the ground, but I think sweeping gets more of it. So does mopping. So, if we think about it, oh no. If we think about it, mopping can pick up like tiny stuff, but it won't pick up the big stuff, which is why vacuums and mops are there. Mops only pick up the small stuff, but they'll leave all the big stuff behind. So, I guess if you want to do two things, I would always do mopping and sweeping, because sweeping picks up all the hair too. So, if you want to clean your floors, first sweep and then mop. Thanks for listening to today's episode of Your High School Girls' Opinions.